Get in here, get in here. Y'all, we are on week 8 of the school year. Hey, y'all, today I decided to share with you all a little bit about me because I want you to get to know me as like I get to know you. Y'all, this is my last remaining son at home. He's my fur baby. This is Solomon. Say hi, Solomon. So if you hear a little clatter of feet or barking, this is the reason why. I just wanted y'all to meet my fur baby. Also, y'all, I wear a lot of blue because that's my husband's favorite color. So don't think, and this just happened to be my favorite house dress. Y'all, at home, I'm laid back. I don't like to move around and do a lot of stuff. I mean, I watch TV some, I read and stroll through Facebook or social media. So there are 3 facts you just learned about me. Now, this week we are going to use 8.28 digital and printed resources to determine word meaning. That's a dictionary, y'all. Now, for me, the reason I need to use this skill for the pronunciation part, I struggle pronouncing words, and that's okay. I listen to it pronounce the word on the computer for me, and I try to duplicate what I hear. Am I always successful? No. But I do know what the word means and how to use it correctly. Then we're going to look at character motivation and behaviors. How does that influence the events of the plot of the story? And how does that help to resolve the conflict in the story? Then finally, y'all, this is what I tell you all the time. If you can't paraphrase a story in your own words or a paragraph as we read, you maybe don't understand that. So we're going to paraphrase and summarize the text that we read. These are important skills, guys, because it helps with our comprehension. Please, please always take your time. There is no rush to complete your assignments. And with that being said, guys, quit trying to do your work before you come to my class. I will explain and go over everything you need to know and to do in order to be successful. Now, for me personally, that just don't make too much good sense or don't make sense at all to me. How you will complete an assignment prior to class and then expect to have a better grade. Also, this is the last week. Next week is it. This is the last week that I will accept any missing work, guys. Quit going into Google Classroom, marking your assignment as done and submitted and thinking that's fine. I gave you directions about how to check your grades in Power School thanks to Dr. Kelly. It's up to you guys. Only way to be successful is for you to do the work. I'm going to provide instructions to the best of my ability. I will help you. I'm available on Tuesdays and Thursdays to help you. And I believe school wide we are going to start tutoring on Mondays as well. Guys, I get to work every day no later than 7:15. If you need to see me, all you have to do is call or text me and I'll let you in so I can help you. Let's have a wonderful week 8, y'all. Oh, and it's also Halloween, which I don't celebrate, but that's okay. You can celebrate and share your candy with me. I love y'all. Bye.